Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create very simple and basic robot with basic shape, very simple robot in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our simple robot of a very basic shape. Anybody can model this kind of model. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.